Did welding buy my gold teeth? Or did I get them from hustling? Well, to be frank, honest with you, family, my first set of gold teeth, I got from hustling. My second set of gold teeth, I got from hustling. But my third set, I got from welding, family. And I'm from Arkansas. I was born in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I was raised in Denver in Southeast Arkansas. And in Arkansas, in the South, the gold teeth actually means something significantly different than bling or a grill or just a shining or whatever. The true essence behind us having gold teeth was from slavery. The gold teeth was a representation to the other slaves that we was free, because we was able to take care of ourselves physically, since we couldn't put our money in banks and things like that, and we wasn't able to brush our teeth and do any type of maintenance on ourselves to keep ourselves up in slavery. As soon as we got out, we bought some nice clothes and wanted to feel good about ourselves, and we fixed our mouth. We put gold teeth on the rotten teeth that was in our mouth, that we didn't have the opportunity to brush our teeth like the other people did. So when you came back to the South, the people that seen you with the gold, they knew you was a free slave. They knew you was free and you was working, doing your thing. And it motivated them to know that, hey, once I get off this cotton field, once I get off this plantation, I can embellish myself too. And it was a way that we hid our money. Because at one point in time, we tried, when they allowed us to put a little money in the bank, they just took the money from the black people. So they started putting it into their possessions. So now when you think of people riding around with rims and nice cars, but they stay in certain neighborhoods, and you wonder, like, why would they do that? Systematically, is something that we started unconsciously from slavery, because we wasn't able to put our money in banks, so we invested in ourselves. We embellished ourselves. We wanted to look good, feel good. And you still see that culture and that mentality still moving around today, but a lot of people don't know where the essence of the gold teeth come from. It wasn't just repair them, but it was to show honor. It was to show that we have transcended, and those who are from the South that are still in bondage, they knew that if they seen someone else black with gold teeth, that person has transcended from slavery. So I have gold teeth to pay homage to my slave descendants from the South, because I'm the last descendant that actually went out and chopped cotton, family. I'm 42 years old, and I'll be 43 March the 29th. You know, March the 29th, family. I was born in March the 29th of 1980. So for me to be this old and was still out there in the fields chopping cotton, that to let you know what was going on in the South. So, you know, I feel like I'm the last breed of that era, and I wear gold teeth to show that I made it, that I survived. And those who see me know that I survived when they see me. And I got the number 8 for a reason, because 8 stands for new beginnings. New beginnings. At first I had 4, you know, just to shine at the top. But I realized that I wanted to do something better. You know what I mean? And then I went to 6, and now I'm at 8. And 8 stands for new beginnings, family. New beginnings. Every time I get the opportunity to look in the mirror, I realize where I've been and where I'm going. And this is a new beginning for me. Today I'm teaching welding, and I'm motivating people to learn how to weld and change their lives. And even though I got 8 gold teeth, it doesn't discredit my teaching abilities. It doesn't discredit my knowledge. So sometimes we get caught up and we think that someone with gold teeth or, oh man, that's a little old fashioned, or they gutter or hood. It doesn't mean any of that. But I'm from that, and I don't have any problem with representing it, knowing that I'm a survivor of those times. Hold on.